good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see debuting back on the J Malcolm 2004 Rise channel with the first video cause, like I said, the series with Meech gonna start back. Well, it ain't gonna be no series, man. The car just gonna come back. That's how it gonna be. The car just gonna come back, and that's just what it gonna be. So y'all see, we ain't got nothing going on outside cause of that right there. Y'all can hear it. I ain't got the ISO up, but y'all can hear it, the rain and everything, man. But I was originally gonna show this video on my Life of J Malcolm channel, but I was like, man, I'm about to get started. Excuse me. I'm about to get started over here. I know I ain't dropped no vlogs over here in a minute, and I've been dropping shorts here and there, but coming back, man, gonna drop with the vlogs and all that stuff. So I want to show y'all my first reaction, man. I was holding the video, but I wanted y'all to see my reaction. This was my first time hearing Big Meech start up, man, when it had the new engine in there. And if you don't know, cause a lot of y'all over here probably not even subscribed or see my other channel, my Life of J Malcolm channel, where I vlog over there daily. And you know, I had got the car back running, but we had a little mishap, so it's not running again. But still, I'm gonna show y'all, man, my first reaction, man. When this the first time I heard it, and the first day they crunk it up too. Matter of fact, they had just crunked the car a little bit before I got there, man. I got there and caught them right before they closed, so I was able to hear the car, man. I had wife behind the camera and all that stuff. So y'all gonna see that, man, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna holler at y'all too about some more stuff I got shaking, especially over here. I got a lot of stuff already. I got some stuff already shot over here, some vlogs and stuff, and I'm gonna tell y'all about the schedule, the upload schedule, and all that good stuff. But I want y'all to enjoy this footage or whatever, seeing my reaction to hearing Big Meech. And I had, y'all gonna see in here too, I had gave my boy Jesse the green light, man. Lawless Street Cars and Fabrication had gave him the green light, but he didn't get no green light cause that joker didn't lie. It didn't last. It didn't live, man. So he couldn't get no green light. He couldn't even do nothing. So man, I'm finna roll that footage, man. Y'all stay tuned. Look, first time y'all can get a car. They crunk it up, got good oil pressure. We gotta get a fitting, so they're gonna be my first time. They're gonna be my first time in the car. Oh, you gotta see it. So this is where it's at. Your wife first time seeing it too.
Yes, it is.
Told you it's all clean. Man, he did a thing. I gotta get one fitting, fix that, and we'll be good to go. We got power steering line, everything in there. Oh yeah, I feel the heat. Alright, y'all, check it in. Look, I told my boy Jesse he got the green light now. I tell him on camera you got the green light, and on Meech when they get finished. So I gotta see some rubber back there.
He done messed up doing that. He done fucked up doing that. Give me permission to spin tires.
Hey, look, y'all go check. So go to his channel. You gonna put on your channel, ain't you?
Oh yeah. All that right there. Gonna be slick. Gonna be gone. I know you got wheels coming for it anyway, so that's gonna be going right there.
Hey,
we're gonna take care of them for you.
Hey, look, I told him he got the green light. So, hey, he gonna put on his channel, man. The first burnout, anything gonna be on Lawless Street Car channel. Oh, yeah. So, y'all.
Do some donuts. I know you don't do donuts.
Nah, I don't do
donuts and everything.
Hey, he will do it.
Hey, I'll do it.
Hey, he'll do it too.
Hell yeah.
Hey, man, but look, on real though, I want to tell y'all thank you for real, man. Y'all done made my day, man. I know y'all been working hard at this. And how long it been? What, 2-3 weeks?
Yeah, about 2-3 weeks.
Man, so I just want to tell him on camera, man, like him, Chris, CJ, Justin, everybody, man, that took their car, because y'all know what it means to me. And all that, man, they done took good care of it. So, I'm going to turn y'all back on in a minute. All right. So, y'all saw my reaction. It was an emotional reaction, man. Might not, I know y'all probably couldn't tell and know. I shed some tears, man. I shed some tears, man. I knew it was gonna happen. Cause if you know, you know, man. If you know what that car mean to me, then you already know why, man. Like that car there, that's the one car that make me emotional, man. Cause it got sentimental value behind it. It got meaning, stories behind it, and all of that, and memories. So, yeah, I already knew, man. When I heard it, I was gonna shed a little tear. And I know when it come back, I'm gonna show enough be emotional, man. Cause when it come back, it's gonna be my complete vision on what I always intended to do and what I always wanted. So it's gonna be my complete vision, man, when it come back. So I already know it's gonna be crazy and all that. Then y'all know we got the 24s sitting right here just waiting. I got the 24s just waiting, man. I ain't even winning mounting them up, man. But we might still. I'm gonna bring the car home today, supposed to. Yeah, in the midst of all this, today I'm supposed to bring it home, man. So we probably still mount it up, depending on how I feel. And then it going back. It's going back in that corner, man. I'm probably still going to get my car. I'm just gonna be out here soaking wet, but I'm gonna have to move everything. It's called Meech going all the way back in the corner where he was. And y'all see Dolo back there now. Some of y'all probably out of the loop over here, man. Y'all might have seen some of my videos get recommended. You might have done, but I know a lot of y'all probably out of the loop, cause I don't know if you follow me on Instagram and everything, but if you ain't on Life of J Malcolm, that's the only place that was giving daily updates on what's going on. So some of y'all might not even know I got all this stuff, some of these cars. But Dolo gotta get pushed. So I'm out here in the wet, man. But I gotta get that car back. So Meech, I'm gonna put Meech back in the corner, put Dolo right there where Brown Coat at, cause Dolo gotta get it engine put back in, back it out. All the rest of this stuff moves. So the harder part gonna be moving Dolo, which I'm probably gonna move Black Haven too. So I'm gonna be trying to take all these car covers off. But I'm probably gonna end up moving Black Haven, pull it right here so we can put Dolo right there and then make way. So hopefully the rain, man, or ease up in about 2 hours. Cause what I'm gonna do with Meech for right now, I'm not gonna take it apart. I'm not taking Meech apart for right now, cause it'll just be sitting. It'll just be sitting out in the weather and stuff, man, exposed. I gotta take the engine and transmission out. So I was like, man, it ain't no need. Then I get the transmission back to my fam DJ Showtime transmission. He'll get it done, and then I have parts sitting here again. I'm trying to avoid having parts sitting in here, man, cause I still got stuff I gotta get out. But man, we got over here, man. I'm about to start back vlogging, man. I'm gonna try daily, but if I don't, it'll probably be at least 3 times a week over here. I'll still be daily over there on my Life of J Malcolm channel. If you're on Life of J Malcolm, then you already know what the plan is and all that. So over here, all my wrench turning. When I take the cars out to actual race and perform or whatever, or make test run, all this stuff be over here. My Life of J Malcolm channel, man, is for my life. It's for my family. It's that some of my car stuff. When I'm out riding, showing out or something like that, it'll be over there, call. But this over here gonna be wrench turning stuff, man. This and that. None of my real talk. Just straight to the point, basically. You know what I'm saying? Just straight to the point. People that want to learn some stuff. That's what they're gonna be over here. Then over there gonna be my real talk, more deeper, you know, more deeper convos and all that, more more meaningful content. I'm gonna say that because some people don't want to see meaningful content. Some people on the internet just for the bullshit. Excuse my language, but they're just true reality, man. Some people on the internet just for the bullshit. Like, I'm not saying learning something is BS, but I'm saying like drama and all that. Some people on there just for that. But over here, you know, it's gonna be technical, straight to the point, this and that. It ain't gonna be more laid back stuff like what y'all seeing today. This just my reintroduction, basically, coming back. And I want to show y'all Meech, man, cause Meech had to grace this channel over here too with big block content. Cause Meech was over here when I had the crate engine. So you know, that's what it is. And what else, man? I'm trying to make sure I don't leave nothing out. That's about it, man. I'm gonna have some more video coming for y'all this week, hopefully. Cause some of the stuff I got ready, I ain't ready to drop yet, but I'm gonna have some more stuff coming. And hopefully, depending on the rain, cause I got some stuff I'm about to do and got to get done too, to the cars. So yeah, man, they're gonna wrap that up. So I hope y'all enjoyed this, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. We out.